K-Church sent me this pill-sized shape for my review. Is it a pill? Let me show you. It's not. It's really cool. You unlock it, and look at this. There is inside a screwdriver, rechargeable screwdriver, fully electric, super easy to use. And look at this, magnetic bits. So you've got a few of them here. You've got the classics, the Phillips. I've got some hex ones as well. I could build all my furniture that I get every single week, and I'll be able to do that with this thing. It's extremely light, but I love the fact that both sides are magnets, meaning this side here has a magnet. When you put it back into that little compartment, they're not falling off, which is really nice. And then I'm going to use, for example, that Phillips. And this right here also is magnetic. And I'm going to go and show you a little bit on that closer look so you can actually see. You've got forward and backwards. So this is backwards and this is forwards. And then right here, I do have the intensity. I've got 3 intensities. See? Medium and then fast. Both ways. You can do up to 220 screws with one single charge. It's a 1500 milliampere battery. I love the grip on this as well. It's very comfortable to hold. But yeah, looks great. Super easy to use, clearly. But if you're just looking for something that is simple, as in you don't need 120 bits, you just want your classic bits to do all the kind of like tiny little small odd jobs around the house, this little pill design case is really there for you and really ideal. It does come with its own USB-C cable as well, because you do charge it not on the case itself, but on the actual unit itself. So the case is really merely just to contain everything together, and then you just put it in like this and lock it, and you're ready to go.